Hello, students. I hope you all are safe at home. Today, I am going to explain you lesson number 10, and the name of the lesson is The Wise Saint. So, let's start the story. Emperor Akbar had 9 wise men in his court whom he called Navratans. Birbal was Akbar's favorite among his Navratans. Birbal was not just his court jester, but he was his friend and confidant. Birbal also took many liberties with Emperor Akbar. On one occasion, such occasion, Emperor got annoyed with Birbal. That day, Akbar was in a full mood. He asked Birbal to leave the palace and the bounds of Agra city. Needless to say, Birbal was quite upset and he left immediately without any argument. A few days passed. Akbar started missing Birbal. Birbal was special to Akbar and Akbar could not do without Birbal. Ultimately, Akbar sent a search party to look for Birbal. In the meanwhile, Birbal had left the town without informing anybody where he was going. Days passed by. There was no hint as to where was Birbal. Then one day, a wise saint came to visit the palace. He had 2 disciples with him who claimed that their guru was the wisest man ever to walk on earth. Since Birbal left, Akbar needed a wise man in his court, but he was not sure whether this wise saint would be able to come up to his expectations. He wanted to test the wisdom of the wise saint first. The holy man had bright eyes, a thick beard, and long hair. Akbar told him that all his ministers would put forward a question each. If his answer were up to the mark, he would be made a minister. In case he didn't answer the questions satisfactorily, he would be beheaded. The holy man said that he had never claimed to be the wisest man ever to walk on earth. But it were other people who seemed to think so. All the same, he said that he was ready for the test. The round of questioning began with Raja Todarmal's question: who is a man's best friend on earth? The saint replied, his own good sense. Next question was asked by Faizi, which is the superiormost thing on earth? The saint answered, knowledge. Abul Fazl asked, which is the deepest trench in the world? To which the saint replied, a woman's heart. Another courtier questioned, what is that which cannot be regained once it is lost? The saint replied, life. Tansen asked, what is undying music? Notes was the answer the saint gave. Tansen again asked, which is the most melodious voice at night time? The saint answered, the voice that prays to God. Then came the turn of Raja Man Singh. He asked, "What travels faster than the wind?" The saint replied, "Man's thought." Someone else asked, "Which is the sweetest thing on earth?" The saint replied, "A baby's smile." Akbar asked the saint if he could perform any miracle, to which the holy man replied that he didn't believe in miracles, but he could manifest any person the king wished to meet. Overwhelmed by this reply, Akbar expressed the desire to meet Birbal. In no time, the saint flung away his artificial beard and hair, much to the surprise of Akbar and the other courtiers. Akbar could not believe his eyes, and stepping down from his throne, embraced Birbal with tears in his eyes. Akbar showered many valuable gifts on Birbal to convey his happiness at Birbal's return. Now, the key value of this lesson is compassion. Now, student, I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.